What about Jackie, huh? Fuck, Penju, are you deaf?
No, Officer Shane, I'm not. But you clearly have forgotten who you're speaking to.
Oh, Way, good to see you, man. Thanks for picking me up.
You joking? Of course I'm gonna pick you up. You're my boy. You okay, Jackie? They treat you all right in there?
Yeah, I'm okay. I got lucky. Someone convinced Ming's brother to say it was alone. Was that you?
Nah, I wish I thought of it, though.
Some lady cop wanted me to turn snitch. Tang something or another. I told her she could go fuck herself.
Smooth. You heard about Uncle Po, though, right?
Yeah. When's the funeral?
Soon. We should go get ready. Let's go.
Man, I can't go to a funeral like this. I look like shit. I need a suit or something.
All right, we'll pick something up. Hey, so what's the deal with that cop? The lady.
Said she wanted to help me turn my life around or something. Said if I started snitching, she'd help me out. Anyways, man, forget that bitch.
You look like you could use a pork bun.
These are the latest. Perfect for you. Elegant, but not too flashy.
You know, I never thought I'd be able to afford a suit from a place like that. Sucks that I have to get it for Uncle Po's funeral.
Oh shit!
What happened to Uncle Po?
Don't think anyone knows yet.
Yeah, I bet it was the 18K. We gotta make those assholes pay to find that, you know?
If it was, it'll mean a war.
Used to be, I'd think that was cool. Now, man, I'm not so sure. And one thing about prison, it gives you too much time to think.
Yeah?
I don't know about this life anymore, you know? I mean, it's not like I'm cut out to do anything else, but sitting there, shit. Now we're going to a funeral. What's the future in this shit, you know what I mean?
Yeah, I do. Been thinking about that myself lately.
Might be time for me to make a change. Maybe go into business with Jill May. Nothing big, but what the hell? Maybe all that talk about being a big deal was just... Ah!
Bullshit? Just bullshit?
Yeah, right. Whoa! Anaya, what the fuck are the 18K doing here?
They're here to make a show, or maybe to start a fight. All the Sun On Yi leaders are here in one place. I don't think they expected the police to be here, though.
Never been happy to see the cops before.
Hey, where the fuck is Sonny?
Sonny Woe? I've been looking forward to this moment for a long time.
Yes, and it will make you look so good to your bosses. They might even pat you on the head like an obedient dog, right up until the time that I walk. Again.
Not this time, Sonny. Come on. Don't get your fancy shoes all muddy. Let's go, boys. We got what we came for. We're leaving.
Hey, you! You can't do this here. It's a fucking funeral. Goddamn police! Why don't you show some fucking respect, huh?
Why don't you? The 18K are about to do this city a great public service. And anyone who stays here deserves everything they get.
The cops are leaving? What the fuck? The 18K are going
This is
to...
gonna get bloody. Come on.
Shit, here they come, man!
Show these motherfuckers what it means to be Sun On Yi!
Oh shit! What's happening? Get down! Get down, man! Get the fuck down!
Keep going! Move up! Move up!
Stay here, I'm gonna flank them down.
White Tiger, stay away from the gate, man!
Fucking Pendro.
Move up! I got you covered! Parking lot! Let's see how you like it. Look, we can't let this go on. We have to deal with 18K and with the police.
All right. We need a plan. Where's Tu Chin?
He's in seclusion.
Seclusion? He's in a hotel somewhere, riding the white tiger, that fat fuck!
Perhaps you are right, Brother Lee. With Uncle Po gone, we now need a chairman who can lead us through this.
Finally, you're making some sense, Chuck. I am the strongest. I am the most feared. I say I should be chairman.
Perhaps temporarily. We should go
Wait! We need to have a proper election. That is the way it has always been done. It's the Sun On You Code.
Ha! You, a woman, talking of code. You should never have been allowed to be Sun On Yi.
But I was, and my contribution to this organization have been significant.
With respect, I have to agree with Sister Jane. We need to restore stability and order, and that means clear thinking. We should follow our tradition.
Our tradition? You've only been on Sun On Yi for a short time. What do you know about our tradition?
Nevertheless, Sister Zhang and Brother Shen are correct.
Fine. We'll have the fucking election. But I'm warning you here and now. Making anyone other than me the chairman will be disastrous for Sun On Yi.
Everyone has a vote. Our tradition allows...
What's the tradition? Ricky! It's out.
Goddamn police! Why don't you show some fucking respect?
Why don't you? And anyone who stays here deserves everything they get.
wish I could live your life just for one day.
I found one of your statues.
Rabbit. Welcome addition. Must have been hard to fit in the States, moving at that age.
Yeah, it takes a while. Eventually, you kind of become a different person.
I think a lot of people do that, even if they don't move to another culture. Seems to me that the trick is to remember always who you are, and maybe what it is that you're doing. Be in a culture without being of it. What would you like to learn? Have you learned nothing? Have you forgotten everything? Your left wing. Someone please teach wing. Left from right. Oh, that's. Please stop by again if you find one of my statues.
Hey! Assholes!
You! Leonardo! This doesn't concern you.
Kill him! Dump him in the harbor when you're done!
打實你啊！同我斬下佢一碌碌！斬死你！冇停！你做咩？同我斬下佢一碌！Enjoy this shit！ 同我斬下佢一碌碌！做嘢，細個嘢！仲等你做咩？你以為你好撚勁啊？同我斬下佢一碌碌！死啊！細路，驚啊！頭先睇到，同我斬下佢一碌碌！我今日一定會打爆你！我做嘅，同我斬下佢一碌碌！同我斬下佢一碌碌！我要殺咗你！哇！死我啊！同我斬下佢一碌碌！哇！嚇死我啊！哇！你認唔到我啦，廢柴！
Do you think it's over?
Not yet.
They have some weapons in the trunk. You better take them.
Thanks. You better lay low.
Wait, what's going on, man?
Shit, they're Mrs. Chu's. They're coming after everything we got.
Who do these fucks think they are?
Big Smiley's coming after us. I guess he figures we can't vote against them if we're dead.
Big smile, Lee.
Yeah. You want out?
No, I'm with you all the way, boss.
We're with you, Wee.
Just for once, I'd like to fight someone outside my own triad, though.
Wait, up here! Come on, let's move! Move it, move it!
About time you guys got here.
Get inside!
They're in the market. Coming from the market.
It's a damn noodle restaurant, not the Bank of Hong Kong. These fuckers are crazy!
Back alley!
Watch the front. I'll go check it out.
You stupid bitch! Where's Wei Shen? I got a message for him from Big Smile Lee.
Oh yeah?
Ha! Just the piece of shit I'm looking for. You're going to vote for Lee, you hear me? You don't? We're gonna fuck you. All your ancestors and
These guys don't give up.
He said every guy had ever been.
Get out of my head!
some more! Fuck these guys! 點佢老母啊！我哋一齊打佢！喂！老母啊！ Here comes some more! Dead! Wait! It's kill him! Fuck these guys!
Get a load of this. Jesus fucking Christ.
Careful of our guys! Didn't expect this! Watch for our people! Watch your friends! High ground, fuckers!
It's us or them now.
Are they done?
We'll see. Let's go.
Hey! Go allá! Get in. We gotta move!
Wait, just fucking.
Hurry! Shit! Where we going?
We gotta get to Ricky. I don't want him on Big Smile Lee's side.
How are you gonna bring him over?
I got an idea. Where the hell is Jackie?
I don't know. I haven't seen him.
Call him.
No answer. Before you came, I expect him to be hiding out somewhere. Now, I don't know.
Oh, you think they might have gone after him?
They went for Mrs. Chu. Fuckers are going after everyone.
Hey, Ricky. Come on, get easy. Look. We have to talk.
I got nothing to say to you.
Calm down, okay? Listen, Big Smiley's coming after anyone who's a threat.
I work for Sonny Woe. We're Lee's biggest backers, and unlike you, I'm loyal to my friends. Sonny told me about you and Vivian.
What? Ricky, I didn't do anything. I swear it.
But
Sonny recorded a video of us together to blackmail me, and now the police have it. They're threatening to release it if I don't testify against Sonny.
What do you think Lee will do to her when he hears?
you said no?
Of all the people Sonny told me to be with, Wei is the only one who said no. The only one. Even you. You didn't say no.
Listen, Ricky, you have to choose. If you back Sonny, Lee will probably ask you to kill her yourself. Or you can get her out of here, keep her safe, and Sonny stays in jail.
Okay, but what about Big Smile Lee?
You let me worry about Lee.
Listen up. You better keep a low profile for a while.
Yeah.
All right. See you.